Welcome back to Health After 60, where we empower your golden years with practical advice for living a stronger, healthier life. Do you feel like your legs are getting weaker, making simple tasks like walking or climbing stairs feel like a mountain? Weak legs are not just an inconvenience. They are a leading cause of falls and a loss of independence for seniors. Many people believe that once leg strength is lost, it is gone forever, or that it takes months to rebuild it. However, expert physiotherapist Will Harlow has revealed a method that can significantly improve your leg strength in just 10 short days. This might sound too good to be true, but the science behind this method is solid, proven, and incredibly effective for seniors. We are not talking about building massive muscles like a bodybuilder, but rather unlocking the hidden potential within your existing muscles. The secret lies in the connection between your brain and your muscles, a biological pathway that often goes dormant with age. In this video, we will guide you through 3 specific exercises designed to wake up these nerves and strengthen your legs. You can perform all of these movements right from the comfort of your bed or a yoga mat on the floor. First, we must understand the crucial difference between muscle size and muscle strength, as they are not the same thing at all. It is physically impossible to build significant muscle mass in 10 days. But you can absolutely double your strength in that time. Think of your muscles like a light bulb. If the wiring is faulty, the light will be dim regardless of the bulb size. Your nervous system acts as the wiring, carrying the electrical signals from your brain that tell your muscles when to contract. As we age, or after periods of inactivity, this wiring can become rusty, meaning your brain cannot fully activate your muscles. This results in weakness, not because the muscle is gone, but because the signal to use it is too faint to work. This concept is known as motor unit recruitment, and improving it is the fastest way to gain strength without adding bulk. By focusing on this neural connection, we can see rapid improvements that will make walking and standing feel much easier for you. The exercises we are about to show you are designed to maximize this signal, forcing your brain to reconnect with your legs. You will need very little equipment for this routine, just a simple rolled up towel and eventually a resistance band. Please remember to consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have had recent surgery or injury. Now, let us get into position for the first exercise, which is foundational for anyone with knee pain or thigh weakness. Our first movement is called the static quads overroll, designed to isolate and activate the large muscle on your thigh front. Take your rolled up towel and place it directly under your knee, so your leg rests comfortably with a slight bend. The goal here is to push the back of your knee down into the towel, crushing it against the bed surface. As you push your knee down, allow your heel to lift slightly off the bed, which fully engages the quadriceps muscle. Hold this strong contraction for a full 5 seconds, focusing your mind entirely on squeezing that thigh muscle as hard as possible. Slowly relax the leg and let your heel rest. Do not just drop it, but control the release of the tension. Be careful not to lift your hips or arch your back. The movement should come entirely from your leg and knee joint. Place your hand on your thigh while you do this. You should feel the muscle turning rock hard under your palm. We recommend performing 10 to 15 repetitions on each leg, ensuring that every single squeeze is maximal and deliberate. Switch to your other leg and repeat the process. Even if one leg feels stronger, we must train both for balance. Remember to breathe normally. Do not hold your breath while squeezing, as this can raise blood pressure unnecessarily during the workout. This simple exercise is particularly excellent for targeting the inner thigh muscle, which is crucial for knee stability and preventing pain. Once you have completed a set on both legs, take a brief moment to rest before we move to the next challenge. Now that we have activated the muscles, we will progress to the second exercise known as the straight leg raise. The straight leg raise is a classic physiotherapy movement that builds incredible strength in the hip flexors and the quadriceps. Start by bending one knee and planting your foot flat on the bed. This helps to protect your lower back during the lift. Before you lift, lock your knee straight by squeezing your thigh muscle, just like we practiced in the previous towel exercise. Slowly lift your straight leg up until it is parallel with the thigh of your bent leg, keeping the knee locked. A common mistake is letting the knee bend as you lift. You must keep the leg perfectly straight to target the right muscles. Lower the leg back down with complete control. Gravity will want to pull it down fast, but you must resist that urge. You will feel this working deep in your hip and the front of your thigh. This is exactly where we want to build strength. Aim for a smooth rhythm, taking about 2 seconds to lift the leg and 2 seconds to lower it back down. If this feels difficult, that is a good sign. It means you are challenging the weak areas that need the most attention. If lifting to the height of the other knee is too hard, start by lifting just a few inches off the bed. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. Then switch legs. Balancing the strength between both sides is vital for walking correctly. This exercise is powerful because it mimics the mechanics of swinging your leg forward when you walk or climb stairs. By strengthening these hip flexors, you reduce the risk of shuffling your feet and tripping over small obstacles like rugs. Take a short rest again. Recovery is when the magic happens, allowing your nerve endings to reset for the next round. For those who find the first two exercises manageable, we introduce the third variation to significantly boost the intensity. This is the banded leg raise, which applies the same principles but adds external resistance to force your muscles to work harder. Place a small loop resistance band around both of your ankles. Ensure it is not too tight but stays in place. Assume the same position as before, lying on your back with one knee bent and the exercising leg perfectly straight. As you lift your straight leg, the band will stretch, creating immediate resistance that fights against your hip muscles. You will notice that this is much harder. The band forces your muscles to recruit even more fibers to complete the movement. Try to hold the leg at the top for a brief second, fighting the pull of the band before lowering it down. Do not let the band snap your leg back down. Controlling the descent is actually where the most strength is gained. If the band rolls up or feels uncomfortable, pause to adjust it. Comfort is key to maintaining good form throughout the set. Only attempt this version if you can easily perform 15 repetitions of the standard leg raise without any pain or struggle. Complete your sets, remove the band, and give your legs a gentle rub to stimulate blood flow and aid recovery. These three exercises, from the towel press to the banded raise, form a complete hierarchy of strength for your legs. To see results in 10 days, frequency is the secret sauce. You cannot just do this once a week and expect miracles. Will Harlow recommends performing these exercises 3 times every single day to constantly remind your brain to activate these muscles. Do one set in the morning right when you wake up. It is a fantastic way to prime your legs for the day. Fit another set in during the afternoon, perhaps while watching television or taking a break from your daily activities. Finally, complete your last set in the evening before you go to sleep, ensuring your muscles are stimulated one last time. This high frequency is what drives the rapid neural adaptation, turning the electrical signal from a flicker into a beam. After 10 days of consistent practice, you should notice that standing up feels lighter and your steps feel more secure. You will not have bodybuilder legs, but you will have a functional, responsive strength that improves your quality of life. You might feel some muscle soreness, which is normal, but sharp joint pain is a sign to stop and rest. Support your efforts by staying hydrated and eating enough protein, which provides the building blocks for your body to recover. Imagine being able to conquer the stairs in your home without that nagging fear of your legs giving out halfway up. Stronger legs mean more energy to play with your grandchildren and participate in the family activities you love and cherish. While 10 days is a target for seeing results, we hope this becomes a lifelong habit for maintaining your mobility. Once the 10 days are over, you can continue to progress by holding the contractions for longer periods of time. You can also introduce ankle weights if the resistance band becomes too easy, ensuring you never stop getting stronger. Consistency is key. It is better to do a little bit every day than a lot once in a while. Let us recap quickly. Start with a towel squeeze to wake up the quads and learn how to activate the muscle. Move on to the straight leg raise to build dynamic strength in the hip flexors and the front of the thigh. Finally, challenge yourself with the resistance band to maximize your gains and fully secure that mind-muscle connection. Do not be discouraged if you struggle on day 1. Your nervous system learns quickly, and day 3 will feel different. Keep a simple journal of your progress. Writing down your repetitions can be a great motivator to keep you going. You do not need to wait for the perfect moment. You can start your first set right now while watching this. These methods are used in clinics around the world because they work, and now you have the tools at home. Strong legs are the foundation of a free and active life, allowing you to explore the world on your terms. We would love to hear from you. What is the biggest challenge you face with your leg strength and mobility? If you found this guide helpful, please click the like button so we can reach more seniors who need this help. Do not forget to subscribe to Health After 60 for more expert-backed tips on aging with strength and dignity. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we will tackle other common issues like back pain and shoulder stiffness. Your health is your greatest wealth, and investing 10 minutes a day is a small price for a huge reward. Thank you for trusting us with your time today. We believe in your ability to get stronger at any age. This has been Health After 60, wishing you strength, balance, and happiness. Until we meet again in the next video. Please select one of the videos on the screen now to continue your journey towards a healthier and more active life. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single leg lift. Take care of your body. It is the only place you have to live, and it deserves your attention and care. We look forward to reading your success stories in the comments section below, so please do share your progress with us. Health After 60 is dedicated to bringing you the best physiotherapy advice simplified for your daily routine at home. If you missed any part of the routine, feel free to rewind and watch the specific exercise demonstrations again. Consistency, patience, and proper technique are the 3 pillars that will support your journey to stronger and healthier legs. Thank you once again for watching. Have a wonderful day, and keep moving forward with confidence and strength. Goodbye for now, and remember that it is never too late to start improving your health and your life. See you in the next video, where we will continue to explore ways to make your golden years truly shine. Stay strong, stay active, and keep believing in yourself, because you are capable of more than you think. Health After 60 is here to support you every step of the way on your path to better health. Do not forget to drink water and rest well tonight. Your muscles need it to grow stronger for tomorrow. Check out our playlists for more targeted exercises that can help with balance, flexibility, and overall body strength. We appreciate your support and your viewership. It means the world to us to help you feel your best. Sending you positive energy and strength for your workouts this week. You've got this. Keep up the good work. Make sure to share your results with your friends and family. Maybe they will join you in your routine. Every repetition counts, every set matters, and every day you practice brings you closer to your fitness goals. Thank you for watching Health After 60. We are honored to be a part of your daily health journey. Goodbye and take care.